What if paradise had a pastel-colored heartbeat, pulsing to the rhythm of Caribbean breezes and Dutch colonial charm? Welcome to Oranjestad, Aruba's vibrant capital, a place where old-world elegance and island energy intertwine. As soon as you set foot in Oranjestad, you're swept into a world of lively color, rich history, and crystal-clear coastlines. This is more than just a port of call for cruise ships. It's a destination that invites you to stay, explore, and fall in love. Begin your journey at Fort Zoutman, the oldest building in Aruba. Built in 1798, it now houses the Historical Museum, where stories of colonial battles and island resilience come alive. Just steps away, the Royal Plaza Mall invites you in with its striking pink architecture. Shopping here feels more like a festive experience than a transaction. If you're craving culture, don't miss the National Archaeological Museum, where Aruba's indigenous roots and colonial influences merge in thoughtful exhibits. The capital isn't just about the past, it's about the present too. Stroll along Main Street, Kea GF Betico Crows, and feel the local rhythm. Shops, cafes, and murals make this pedestrian-friendly strip the perfect place to linger. Nature lovers won't be disappointed either. Wilhelmina Park is a quiet retreat with scenic benches and native flora, perfect for a morning coffee or sunset moment. And if beach bliss is your goal, Surfside Beach is just minutes from the city center, an ideal spot for swimming, relaxing, or sipping cocktails under the palms, feeling adventurous. Hop on the Aruba streetcar, a free open-air trolley that winds through downtown, offering scenic views and a breezy way to explore. Don't forget to sample local eats, pastry, stuffed pastries, fresh seafood, and island cocktails are a must. Oranjestad is a city of contrasts and character, where colonial architecture coexists with Caribbean flair, and every corner invites discovery. Whether you're planning a day trip or a week-long escape, Aruba's capital is a gem that rewards the curious traveler. Which of Oranjestad's highlights would be first on your must-see list?